We will practice today the family question, and the question number is 2. Tell me something about your family. Now we practice.
Tell me something about your family.
Okay. Well, as I say, we have got 5 family members in our family, including me. My father is a doctor and my hero. My mother is a school teacher and a loving and caring person. We love our parents very much. You, my younger sister is in grade 7 and she got all the crazy and creative ideas and share most of her secrets with me. This is good, very important and important sentence we can include in the answer. My younger brother is studying mathematics at a university and she has got a passion for playing football. She dreams to become a professional football player someday, though I have my doubts about it. I have recently completed my bachelor degree in computer science and have a plan to finish my master degree from a reputed foreign university. We are a happy family and share a strong bonding that makes us care for each other a lot. ওকে দিস এই অ্যান্সারটা খুব সুন্দর। আমরা এটাকে মডিফাই করতে পারি নিজের মতো করে এবং এটা খাতায় লিখলে এবং বারবার প্র্যাকটিস করলে এই ধরনের কোশ্চেনগুলি আসলে আমরা খুব সুন্দর করে অ্যান্সার করতে পারবো। ধন্যবাদ।